All right, right here, I have the new Flex Shorty. So you guys have seen the Flex. It's one of our more popular mounts, and all we did was we made it a little bit shorter. So the original Flex, the lowest setting that it can go is 17 inches, whereas this one, it sits at 12 inches at the lowest. So for any of the guys that don't want that graph to be quite as tall, but you still want to be able to adjust it up and down, lay it down on the front deck when you're running, you can tilt it toward you a little bit more, and then still have the little bit of extension up and the full 360 movability of it. This is going to be the mount for you. Like I said, it's all the same great features as our original Flex, just a little bit shorter. This thing starts at 12 and it goes up to 17 inches. We'll have the dual stack option available, and we also will have it available in the HD base. So you can put two 12s, a 12 and a 16, pretty much any configuration that you want. You'll still be able to do the dual stack, the big graphs. If you want to do the HD base, you can. This will be the perfect mount if you want to keep it a little bit lower, so you're not going to hit it when you're flipping and pitching and stuff like that, and you'll still have all that adjustability. So if you want to do something and you like to flex, but you want it a little bit shorter, we now have the option for you.